Hi everyone, A Chef Called Rhonda here. Thank you for joining me today. Tomorrow's Tuesday, and yes, today's Monday. Well, that's obvious. It's Monday, March 29th, and I will be posting my Mediterranean sea bass recipe tomorrow. But there were a couple of items left out when I did that video, and I wanted to briefly describe the health benefits and the background of the Mediterranean sea bass. I think in addition to my wanting you to subscribe to A Chef Called Rhonda and watch our Tuesday video tomorrow, which is actually how to cook a whole Mediterranean sea bass simply and elegantly. But what I would like to share in this brief video, the importance of eating fish, a Mediterranean diet, as well as the health benefits that encompass the Mediterranean sea bass. In the video that you'll see tomorrow, I mentioned that the Mediterranean sea bass has many names. It's also known as a European sea bass, branzini, bronzino, depending on where you live geographically. Jotted down a few notes here, and I just wanted to go over and I wanted to give you a brief background on the fish itself as well as the health benefits. The fish here is whole, obviously, and that will be the video tomorrow, how to cook a whole Mediterranean sea bass. And yes, this looks intimidating, doesn't it? And I know because it can be, right? Just from purchasing it and so on. You'll have many options. When you're at the grocer, he'll ask, would you like me to fillet it? Would you like me to remove the tail? Shall I take the head away? And my video, I'm hoping to impose upon you and educate you a bit on the benefits of cooking the whole fish and how nourishing and nutritious the entire fish can actually offer while it's cooking. So first, and excuse me while I have some cheat notes here, branzino, as I stated, is also known as the European sea bass. It's an excellent staple for all traditional Italian cuisine. Traditionally, and most often you'll find in the Neapolitan region or on the islands in the Bay of Naples, the fish is also known for being a prized item of that region, and most all over Europe as well. And this goes back to ancient Rome, actually. So it's a prized possession to actually have this fish and the ability to cook it and serve it for the family. This little guy, by the way, he weighs about 1.25 pounds. So branzino is filled with nutrients such as protein and vitamin D. And the fish is also a great source of omega-3, important for your body as well as your brain. You hear so oftentimes, oh, take omega-3 supplements and so on and so forth. And that's all well and good, but if you can actually add in the true omega-3 and derive omega-3 from the actual source, I mean, there's none better in my opinion. And that's my opinion only. So I wanted to talk a little bit, I omitted to talk about its flavor. So the Mediterranean sea bass is known for a very sweet and delicate flavor. Very, very sweet and delicate. The meat of the branzino is very, very flaky and succulent. The fish, after it's cooked, it falls apart and it will fall right away from the skeleton. Small bones, which it makes it a lot easier when going to clean it. If you watch tomorrow's video, I actually show you the old Roman method using 2 spoons and how to clean the whole fish. But the small bones that are within this fish makes it a dream to clean. A dream to clean. So to prepare the fish is quite simple. There's many, many ways. In tomorrow's video, I show you a nice citrus combination with white wine. Very, very simple recipe. If you opt to eat the skin, it has a very, very unique taste. And that said, you're getting double time the omega-3s if that's your course of action and you'd like to eat the skin. Many people discard the skin and just eat the fish. Again, it has that sweet, delicate flavor of cooking the whole fish. In tomorrow's video, we do just that. We cook the whole entire fish, head to tail. I show you how to clean it, but the reason why folks generally cook the whole fish is because it makes for an eloquent presentation. The video, tomorrow's video, he's about 1.25 pounds. I believe tomorrow's video is actually 1.33 pounds. If you haven't handled the whole fish, really, nothing to be afraid of. He's jam-packed with nutrients, and I would encourage you to try, at least try. Let me show you him up close. Let's see, can you see him? That's what he looks like. He's about 1.25 pounds right there. And he will fit in my skillet. So basically, what I wanted to end with here today is A, please watch tomorrow's video, Tuesday's video, how to cook a whole Mediterranean sea bass, how to prepare it, how to fillet it, how to remove the bones, and how to eat it. Well, thanks for watching this brief video here. Again, I just wanted to state, if you please would subscribe to A Chef Called Rhonda, that would be greatly appreciated. Hit that subscribe button and click the little notification bell, and you'll receive notification as to when I upload new videos. Until we meet again, don't forget tomorrow's video, how to cook Mediterranean sea bass, a whole fish. Thanks for watching. Bye.